In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Cronometer app. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so first step, if you haven't done this already, go to your App Store or Google Play if you're on Android and install and search for Cronometer. This is the one here, the correct one. So it's got 1 million downloads and 46,000 reviews time recording. Now, for the first time, go ahead and launch it. Alright, so it's going to ask us to sign up, or if you've already got an account, click on login, but I'm going to sign up for this demonstration. So we need to first set our profile, so basically so they can customize your nutritional targets with this information. So jot down your sex, birthday, your height, and your weight. So with the weight, we can scroll from pounds, kilograms, or stone. So I'm going to do kilograms. Click save. Now click next. Now we need to set an activity level. So we recommend selecting a baseline level that best describes your day-to-day life. So we've got a slider here. We can choose which one. So if you know you're active, if you're just a couch potato, you're going to put no activity. But if you're super into sports, fitness and that, you can set your custom calories burned due to exercise. So yeah, choose either one, even in between. So I'm going to do very active, or probably moderately active, being honest. All right, so what is your goal weight? I want to lose 10 kilos, so I want to put in 88 kilos. Now select the goal rate, so how many kilos per week. So it's either you can do 0.11 kilos you want to lose per week, or you can go up to 0.9. So I'm going to go somewhere in the middle here. Now they're going to give you a goal overview. So here's your plan and goal forecast based on the information you provided them. So we can go in and click on next. Now we need to put in our account details. So first name, email, password, and confirm password. Then once you've done that, click next. Now have a read of their terms and service. And then we can check all here and click continue. Now basically this is going to create the account for us. Now we will need to verify your email. So go to your emails and verify. So here it is here. So I'm going to click onto this and click on validate account. Now you should say success there and click continue. And now it will ask you to open up the app. Now the app should refresh. Now from here they might ask you to pay, but if you just want to use the free trial or the free features, you don't have to pay. But if you're interested, you can and support the app. I'm just going to click out of that. Now from here we're going to come to the home page, the discover page for Cronometer. Now what we first want to do is try adding your first food here. So click on the plus icon so we can suggest food, add food. You can scan food, which I suggest. So if you eat, just go ahead and scan your food, and just depending on what you have, just adjust it to how many mils of, say if you have juice, milk, how many grams of pasta, yeah, just add that. We can add notes, new fast, add exercise. So if I want to go ahead and add food, I can click on add food. So if I had pizza, I'm going to search pizza, and now just find the pizza you got. So just for example, timestamp, the amount, so 100 grams of that. And I'll say actually 300 grams. And then we can put it in a group. So this can be for dinner, and then click on add to diary, and it's going to show you the energy summary of 300 grams of whatever you just chucked in. So add to diary. Now from here, when you add food, it's going to say how many kilojoules you've consumed and remaining, and your expenditure as well. So if I go ahead, scroll down, you can see pizzas put in here. Now if I want to add in some breakfast, I'm going to go click on add food, and now say if I had a banana. All right, just one banana. So I'm going to add this to the diary to breakfast, grams, and the timestamp. You can't change the timestamp too. It's behind a paywall as well. So click on add to diary. And now you can see I'm consuming more food. The more food I put in. Now if we want to go back a day, we can. So we can scroll back like that, and we can even go forward. Now if we scroll down again, so we're in the diary now, but if we want to have a look at the foods, we can look at foods. Now this is where we can create meals, so you can combine your favorite recipes and foods into one meal for faster logging. So you go ahead and create meals for that. You can create custom recipes, so you create recipes manually or import them from a website for quick logging. Also we've got custom foods, add any items not in our database as custom foods. Repeat items, so you can schedule foods, meals, recipes, and supplements that you log. Suggest food, personalized food suggestions to help meet your daily targets, and Oracle nutrient search. So it's pretty cool in here. If we click on some more, this is just going to take into your profile section here where you can play around with your account name. This is where you can upgrade your subscription if you want, change your password, add in a two-factor authenticator and all that stuff. You can even log out here. Now scrolling down on here, we can click on a profile. You've got your age, sex, weight, height, body mass, body fat. You can go in and click onto that if you want. I'm definitely not that. I'm about